This is the number one secret that you are missing out on if you want to succeed with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025. Now please stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you exactly what is the missing key to success. So as you watch this video, I know every guru on YouTube and on ClickBank is telling you, yes, pick a niche, go on ClickBank marketplace and find the product by huge gravity, by big gravity. Gravity is basically popularity of a product online, offer on ClickBank marketplace. Now, yes, every guru is telling you this, but every super affiliate like myself, who is making thousands of dollars per day, we all know that we are not promoting the same products like the rest of 99% of normal people out there in the world. Why? Because we don't want competition. Now, competition in marketplace, I'm talking about mass market like weight loss, it's great, right? But competition on ClickBank is not great, especially for super affiliates like myself and others, right? So what we do, mostly I promote products that have even zero gravity. You have secret private offers, but you cannot even see them on ClickBank marketplace. Now, if you have connection with me or other affiliates, yes, you can get access to those products or products that we are promoting online, right? And this is the great secret that is missing out there. Another thing is, when you build your website, blog or landing page or pre-sale page, lender, right? You don't know what you don't know. You must know that you need to have person in the solution state in order to make a sale. But most gurus are teaching you the outdated bullshit methods that used to work years ago. Now, for example, today, if you go to Google ads or let's say Facebook meta ads, you set up new campaign for traffic or conversions and you put the image, the weird, ugly image. Yes, it will get so many clicks. Click-through rate through the roof, right? Through the roof. But there is zero sales. Zero sales. Why? It's a scam? No. It's because you don't know what you don't know. You need to have buyers' clicks, buyers' intent. Remember, no one buys from curiosity. Yes, if I'm curious, I will click on TikTok video or Facebook video, but I won't swipe my credit card. Why? Because there is no pain, there is no problem, there is no solution, right? Now you see, my friend, why I can travel to 68 countries. I share my Instagram, I share my YouTube. I travel to over 68 countries because of affiliate marketing. I do only affiliate marketing, and then I invest in real estate and other projects, but my main vehicle is affiliate marketing. Okay, years ago I was struggling, just like you watching this video. I was struggling, I was losing money until I knew that I had to invest money in myself to get someone, to get a mentor, coach, to someone to help me one-on-one, not a course, but one-on-one, step by step along the way over the Zoom call, set up campaign and get it fast up and running, right? So the main secret, my friend, as you watch this video is this, that you need to understand there are awareness levels in the place. You cannot just set Facebook ad and choose ClickBank product for, let's say, manifestation or weight loss and hope it works. No, you have males, you have females. One of the secrets I do, I promote in, I don't know, like Spanish market, German markets, right? Singapore, like South Africa, so many different countries you can promote, run ads, and others are not doing it because they don't know what they don't know. Most affiliates, they just follow the crowds. They just go on, oh, this ClickBank guru, okay, buy the course, $3,000, and copy and paste the same methods that used to work years ago. If everyone is promoting the same product with the same freaking landing page, how the heck are you expecting great results? It's impossible. 1,000 people buy one course for $3,000 and then you think you're gonna get results. It's impossible. It's not doable. Why? Because there is no pre-sale points. There's no pains. There is no problems. There is no solution states. There is, you know that in order to get results, you have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. Okay? You have market criteria. Each market is different. You have market criteria. Each market is different. Weight loss, back pain. You have males, you have female language patterns. All these matters like a small components put together by fundamental psychology of marketing. You understand there are deeper layers. And especially in 2025, you need to network. You need personal relationships. If you still believe that bullshit, that you have to buy a $3,000 or $5,000 course and follow the method, sit at home like this in front of laptop or PC for 8 weeks or 6 weeks watching some outdated videos, and on the week 4 you figure out, oh my god, I lost $3,000 on ads, or you lost 500 euros on ads in a week because your, let's say, stupid guru told you that you have to test and split test. Split testing means that you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. That's called split testing. Because if you knew the core psychology of your audience, you would know beforehand what to do, what criteria you have in the marketplace, what emotional states is your audience in. Okay, what pre-sale points to use. There are 5 pre-sale points you have to use in order to have functional quiz funnel or funnel. Okay, yeah, go and try and put the freaking like everyone else. Go and try, right? So that's why people are struggling, just like you're struggling. But you could fast forward yourself today as you watch this video. If you just made a decision, invest some money in yourself, get help, not being scared to ask for help, get support so you can fast forward yourself and move forward. And not making freaking excuses. Oh, why you can't do it? Why I don't have enough money to invest in you? Right? I was just like you years ago. And then I made a decision. I could keep making excuses why I don't have enough money, or stop making bullshit excuses and invest in a mentor or a coach who can help me to fast forward me to get great results. And that's why I'm able to make thousands of dollars profit per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, and also other CPA affiliate networks out there. And that's the most important, right? So you can live this underground life of super affiliate, travel where you want, go where you want, spend your vacations with your family, with your friends, and not having to worry about 9 to 5. Okay, again, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, let me know.